Hi there, it's Yasmin Boland here. Today I wanted to give you some ideas about how to use my gorgeous Hay House Moonology 2020 diary. The first thing I would say is the simplest. Take ownership of it and write your name in the front of it. Then turn to page 1 and get an idea of the energies of the year ahead. 2020 is going to be a very big year, astrologically speaking, so get yourself an overview there. Pages 2 and 3 give you a pretty good outline of the main energies of the 8 main phases of the moon, so you can start to put the whole diary in context. Mostly we'll be working with the new and the full moon, but it's very good to know where these fit into the overall monthly lunar cycle. After that, what you want to do, if you don't already know your rising sign or your ascendant, is go to page 16 and find the link for the free chart casting page. That's actually moonmessages.com/free chart. There you can put in your time, date and place of birth, and you'll find out your rising sign, also known as your ascendant, on page 3 of the PDF. That is a major key to getting the most out of the diary. Stay with me if you're new to this. Hopefully you're about to get your mind blown. So now let's go to the first lunation of 2020, which happens to be the full moon eclipse in the sign of Cancer, which you can read all about on page 28 of the diary. Here you'll find the overview of the week ahead, focusing on the new moon eclipse, but with other astrological information thrown in. The 2020 diary is a lot about manifesting and conscious creation, so you'll find information about this woven through the whole diary. So here you have the overview, plus there's an exercise about talking to the moon. So what about this section? What this lunation means for you? That's really the golden nugget right there. Go back to your birth chart, which you accessed, and remind yourself of your rising sign. And then look on the list. So say you're Leo rising. You can see it says that the eclipse is triggering your 12th house. So what's the 12th house? Refer back to the list of houses on page 16 and 17. You can see that the 12th house is all about fears, spirituality, dreams, secrets, and other deep and dark things. Therefore, you know that the eclipse is going to be triggering this part of your chart and your life. This is actually amazing info to have. Usually you'd have to pay quite a lot of money to an astrologer to get this kind of information, but we have it all at your fingertips. And of course, you can do the same process for other people too, and let them know where the new and full moons are for them. The process works for the new and the full moon, so pay close attention every fortnight to where your chart is being triggered, as it will give you a really clear idea about the sorts of themes likely to come up for you in the month ahead. And also it will allow you to start to make some basic predictions for yourself once you get used to seeing how the energies play out. The other thing to do every fortnight is fill out the pages where I've left space for you to write out your full moon forgiveness list and to answer questions based around the themes of each full moon. Or at the new moon, work out your new moon wishes and intentions, and then answer the questions which are specifically designed to help you to work on whatever part of your life is in focus thanks to the new moon energies. The other thing I would suggest is that every month you take a good look at the month ahead overview. It will give you an idea of what's to come, but you also have the new and full moon dates in there, so you can make plans in advance with friends to do your rituals and ceremonies, or to find me doing my new and full moon Facebook Lives. The diary really can be used on so many levels. I hope you will take the time to explore it so that you can get the most out of it. Also, now that you know how to use the diary, I'd love to see how you're using yours. If you feel like taking a photo to show me, I would love to see it. Please use the hashtag #MyMoonologyDiary.